Hello, travel service provider. To use the Travel Buddy app and getting customers and clients for your services, you have to follow these steps. Steps बहुत simple है. Let's get started. Please first complete your profile. अपनी profile picture डालें. At least 5 cover pictures डालें. This can be anything. Pictures of the destination that you're providing or just pictures of your happy customers. Please do complete About You section. This should be in detail because this is the right place where travelers will get to know you and about your services. Once you complete your profile, start interacting in the app so that your presence can be felt. Please start posting at least once a week so that you can gain more and more clients. You can post anything about your service, anything about your destination or your clients. Then start following travelers, review and rate them, and they will follow you back or review or rate you back. The most important thing that you should do is create a listing. And guess what? Your first listing on the app is absolutely free. Your listing or services will be shown in services section and clients will reach out to you. Do make attractive listings by adding more and more pictures and detailed descriptions about your service. Also, you can add competitive price for better conversion. Hope you're enjoying the dashboard. This dashboard will help you manage your client efficiently. Do check the messages and interest regularly and try to reply to each of them. With premium subscription, you can list multiple listings and it will help you to gain more attention from the travelers. ये सारे टेक्निक्स यूज करके आप ट्रैवल बडी ऐप से ज़्यादा clients अट्रैक्ट कर पाएंगे अपने सर्विसेज के लिए. All the best.